Hi guys, what's up? My name is Jocs of Jocsology, Biyahe ni Jocs. And of course, I just got home from the Davao Oriental Adventure and I received this Michael Kors. So most likely this is a watch. And then I would like to say thank you to Jude Online Essentials for this beautiful token for me, and I'm pretty sure I'm gonna use this on our events. So, dagan salamat Jude Online Essentials on this. And guys, please don't forget to follow and like and buy stuffs doon sa page. All you have to do, just search Jude Online Essentials, okay? So again, thank you so much Jude Online Essentials for this wonderful gift. Beautiful. Thank you.